Hey, this is Mark with Hobble Craftsman. Today I'm going to take a little bit of time and show you around my small studio where I do my tube-in work. Some of my customers, some of my folks have been wondering where exactly I do that, where I build those tubes, where I build those blanks, and if it's a clean space, just exactly what does it look like. So folks are asking, and I'm happy to show you what I do. I have a small office set aside in my home. It serves as, of course, my office for my websites, does all the back office administrative work I do here, as well as building the tube-in blanks that are so popular out there. I also have a small amount of inventory in here for the bespoke blanks that are so popular, as well as a photo tent where I do all my photography work. And this is the spot where I also take care of my shipping. So I have a lot of supplies. It's all organized though. I think it's fairly neat. And so with that said, let's get started. Okay, welcome to my administrative workspace. There's not much to it. This tour is not going to take too long, but here's my work desk where I build tube-in blanks. Pretty simple. That's about all I need to do what I do, and I make thousands and thousands of those tube-in blanks in this office. So here's my shipping desk. Pretty simple. Yeah, I just get some regular old picnic style tables and set them up. This is an elevated one that helps keep my back sane while I'm prepping shipping. Here's where we keep our inventory. So a little bit of it anyways, for bespoke blanks. You can see how that kind of stacks up nicely. It's easy to pick and pull and pack it and ship it. Over here I've got a photography tent where I take pictures of our product, and works pretty well. I mean, I've had to learn how to use real cameras when I do that. Right now it looks like I've got, that's a bespoke blank that's going to be called Lemon Drops. It's a demonstrator blank that's yellow like lemon drops and it glows. So just looking around real quick, panning. That is the gist of it, folks. Not a lot to it, but folks wanted to see what it was all about. So backing out, being careful I don't trip. There you go. Go ahead and hit that like button if you like this goofy little video. And I'd sure appreciate it if you subscribed. That'd be awesome. And that's it. I'm going to wrap this up. Thanks very much.